If you're after a great accessory for your GoPro Hero, then you've got to check out this GoPro Hero 12 cage from the good people at PGYTECH. This cage is super strong because it's made of aluminium alloy, and it's super easy to put your GoPro Hero into the cage. Check this out. First of all, you have to remove the side door from your GoPro Hero. And then here on the cage, all you need to do is take a look on the bottom here, and you can see how it's got that small little white arrow. We're just gonna lift that one up. We lift it up, and then we just gotta slide the GoPro in and just click it shut, just like that. Now, on the top it has the shutter, which is really easy to access and nice and easy to see because it's bright orange, as you can see. And then here on the side, you've got ample space for your mode button, which you can easily press. Now, if you look underneath it as well, we can see, just like the GoPro Hero 12 itself, it actually has a 1/4 inch screw there, so you can thread, or 1/4 inch thread, so you can put this onto any conventional tripod. You also have your normal GoPro mounting legs as well. But this is where it gets really, really cool. Here on the side, you have an opening there where you can just kind of plug a USB-C in if you want to charge your camera while it's in the case. And if you want to remove the battery or the SD card, that's super simple too. All you need to do is press on one of these buttons here on the front. See that big one there? Press on that button, and that undoes this latch. So now we can open the side, and if you need to take out a battery or the SD card, it's super easy. Another really cool feature of this accessory is here on the side of the cage, there's actually another 1/4 inch thread, which means if you want to film portrait, that's super easy as well. If you have an older GoPro, like say the Hero 9, 10 or 11, which doesn't come with the built-in 1/4 inch screw mount, well then don't despair, because this is my Hero 9 right now, and I can slide that into the cage, just like we did before with the Hero 12. And now I've got a 1/4 inch screw thread if I want to use my older GoPro with a normal traditional tripod. Right here on top of the unit, it actually has a cold shoe mount, which is great if you want to add an external microphone, or if you want to use another accessory like this light here. It just slots into the top, and then you are good to go. How cool is that? PGYTECH have really backed a winner with this GoPro Hero 12 cage. Just for its versatility and how tough and how strong it is, this is an item I really think that you should add to your accessory bag when you're going out and about with your favorite action camera, which is of course the GoPro Hero. To learn more about GoPros, action cameras, mounts, accessories, all that kind of thing, then you want to click on this video over here next. Thank you for your company today. I do appreciate it. And until next time, I will see you later.